In the ever-evolving landscape of modern kitchens, air fryers have emerged as indispensable culinary tools, revolutionizing the way we cook and consume our favorite dishes. These versatile appliances offer a healthier alternative to traditional frying methods, using hot air circulation to achieve that coveted crispy texture without the excess oil. With an array of features and capabilities, air fryers have become a staple for those seeking convenient, time-efficient, and nutritious meal preparation. In this exploration, we'll dive into the realm of the top 5 air fryers, each distinguished by its unique features, design, and culinary prowess. Join us on a journey to discover the best of the best, and transform your kitchen into a hub of innovation and flavor. Number 5. Instant Vortex 5.7 QD Air Fryer, Custom Program Options, 4-in-1 Functions, Even Crisp Technology that crisps, roasts, bakes, and reheats, 100 in-app recipes, from the makers of Instant Pot, Black, 4-in-1 Functionality, Air Fry, Bake, Roast, and Reheat, Even Crisp Technology, Advanced Technology that drives airflow top-down for a perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results every time. One-Touch Smart Programs, customizable programs for one-touch wings, roasted veggies, garlicky potatoes, cookies, cinnamon buns, and more with fast preheating, little to no preheating time, from frozen to golden in minutes. Create gourmet meals with the versatility of a temperature range of 120 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Easy cleanup, non-stick, dishwasher-safe air fry basket and tray, compact design stainless steel accents, perfectly combines function and style in a countertop-friendly size. Discover amazing recipes, download our free Instant Pot app, so you can create quick new favorites and prepare delicious meals, available iOS and Android. Safety features, built-in safety features like overheat protection, auto-off, and more to keep your mind at ease. A kitchen must-have, perfect for quick delicious meals, preparing side dishes, appetizers, wings, and more. Great addition to any kitchen, perfect for 4 to 6 servings. Number 4. Tasti-Crisp Express Air Fryer Oven, 2.6 QT, White, Compact Air Fryer for healthier food in minutes, ideal for small spaces, auto shut-off, analog, 1000 watt. Introduction. In the realm of compact kitchen appliances, the Tasti-Crisp Express Air Fryer Oven stands out as a testament to innovation, efficiency, and convenience. With its 2.6 quart capacity, sleek white design, and a host of features tailored for small spaces, this air fryer redefines the way we approach healthier cooking. In this article, we'll explore the key attributes that make the Tasti-Crisp Express a go-to appliance for those seeking quick and nutritious meals. Compact design for small spaces, the Tasti-Crisp Express is the perfect solution for kitchens with limited space. Its compact design ensures that you can enjoy the benefits of air frying without sacrificing precious countertop real estate. Ideal for singles, couples, or anyone with a cozy kitchen, this air fryer proves that big things come in small packages. 2.6 quart capacity for efficiency. Despite its small size, the Tasti-Crisp Express boasts a 2.6 quart capacity, providing ample room for your favorite snacks, sides, and even main courses. Don't be fooled by its size. This air fryer is designed to handle a variety of culinary creations, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Quick and easy, this countertop air fryer is compact, sized for any kitchen, and makes cooking healthy a breeze. The space-saving air cooker has a fixed temperature of 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Just load the basket, set the timer, and within minutes you have crispy food. Quick and healthy cooking at 1000 watts, powered by a robust 1000 watt motor, the Tasti-Crisp Express ensures rapid and even cooking. The air fryer's efficiency allows you to enjoy healthier meals in minutes, utilizing hot air circulation to achieve that coveted crispy texture without the need for excessive oil. It's a game changer for those looking to adopt a healthier lifestyle. Analog simplicity with auto shut-off. The Tasti-Crisp Express keeps things simple with an analog interface that makes operation a breeze. Set your desired temperature and cooking time with ease. Plus, the built-in auto shut-off feature provides peace of mind, ensuring that your meals are perfectly cooked without the risk of overcooking. Versatility in culinary creations. Despite its compact size, the Tasti-Crisp Express is a versatile kitchen companion. From crispy fries to succulent chicken wings, this air fryer allows you to explore a myriad of recipes with minimal effort. Elevate your cooking skills and unleash your creativity with a tool designed for culinary versatility. Conclusion: the Tasti-Crisp Express Air Fryer Oven proves that you don't need a large appliance to enjoy the benefits of air frying. Its compact design, efficient 1000-watt motor, analog simplicity, and versatile cooking capabilities make it an ideal choice for individuals or small households. Embrace the future of healthy and quick cooking with the Tasti-Crisp Express, and transform your kitchen into a haven of culinary possibilities. Number 3. Instant Pot Duo Crisp 11-in-1 Air Fryer and Electric Pressure Cooker Combo with multi-cooker lids that fries, steams, slow cooks, dehydrates. Free app with over 800 recipes. Black/stainless steel, 8QT, 11-in-1 functionality. Air fry, roast, bake, dehydrate, pressure cook, slow cook, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, sterilizer and food warmer. Frequency: 60 Hz. The Instant Pot that air fries. From the makers of the best-selling Duo series comes a pressure cooker and air fryer combo, with 2 convenient removable lids. Even Crisp technology. The included air fryer lid delivers all the crunch and tenderness of deep frying with 95% less oil. Quick one-touch cooking. 11 customizable smart programs for air frying, pressure cooking ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, yogurt, desserts, and more. Includes free app with over 1,900 recipes, versatile inner cooking pot. Food-grade stainless steel cooking pot with a triply bottom offers more even cooking and an anti-spin design that secures the pot for perfect sautéing. Cook fast or slow. Pressure cook delicious one-pot meals up to 70% faster than traditional cooking methods, or slow cook your favorite traditional recipes, just like grandma used to make. Quick and easy cleanup. Fingerprint resistant, stainless steel sides, and dishwasher safe lid. Inner pot and accessories. Safety features includes over 10 safety features, plus overheat protection and safe locking lid. Perfect for larger families. Cook for up to 8 people. Perfect for larger families, or meal prepping and batch cooking for singles and smaller families. Discover amazing recipes. Includes the free Instant Brands Connect app, where you can find new recipes to create quick favorites and prepare delicious meals, available for iOS and Android. Number 2. Ninja AF101 Air Fryer that crisps, roasts, reheats, dehydrates, for quick, easy meals, for quart capacity, high gloss finish, gray. Introduction. The Ninja AF101 Air Fryer is a culinary game changer that brings a touch of innovation and simplicity to your kitchen. With its ability to crisp, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, this kitchen marvel is designed to make quick, easy meals a reality. In this article, we'll delve into the features that set the Ninja AF101 apart, making it an indispensable tool for those seeking efficiency and versatility. All-in-one versatility. The Ninja AF101 is not just an air fryer. It's a versatile kitchen companion that effortlessly crisps up your favorite dishes, roasts with precision, reheats leftovers to perfection, and even takes on the task of dehydrating fruits and snacks. Say goodbye to clutter in your kitchen as the Ninja AF101 replaces multiple appliances with its all-in-one capabilities, for quart capacity for family-sized delights. With a generous 4-quart capacity, the Ninja AF101 allows you to prepare family-sized portions with ease. Whether you're cooking for a small gathering or whipping up a feast for your loved ones, this air fryer ensures that no one leaves the table unsatisfied. Effortless operation for quick meals. The Ninja AF101 is designed for busy individuals who crave delicious meals without the time-consuming preparation. Its user-friendly interface and one-touch controls make it easy to master, allowing you to create culinary delights with minimal effort. Enjoy the convenience of quick and easy meals without sacrificing taste. High gloss finish and elegant gray. The Ninja AF101 not only excels in functionality but also in aesthetics. Boasting a high gloss finish and a sophisticated gray, this air fryer adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor. Upgrade your culinary space with an appliance that not only performs admirably but also looks stylish on your countertop. Healthy cooking with AirCrisp technology. Bid farewell to traditional frying methods and embrace healthier alternatives with the Ninja AF101's AirCrisp technology. This cutting-edge feature uses hot air to achieve a crispy, golden finish on your favorite foods, minus the excessive oil. Enjoy guilt-free indulgence without compromising on taste and texture. Easy cleaning for hassle-free maintenance. The Ninja AF101 simplifies post-cooking cleanup with its dishwasher-safe components. The non-stick coating ensures that food residue slides off effortlessly, making maintenance a breeze. Spend more time enjoying your meals and less time on kitchen chores. Conclusion: the Ninja AF101 air fryer redefines the art of cooking by combining versatility, efficiency, and style. Its all-in-one capabilities, generous capacity, user-friendly operation, high-gloss finish, and emphasis on healthy cooking make it a standout choice for individuals and families alike. Elevate your culinary experience with the Ninja AF101 and embark on a journey of quick, easy, and delightful meals. Number 1. Instant Vortex Slim XL 6 QD Air Fryer that crisps, roasts, reheats, bakes, broils is quiet, space-saving, non-stick, dishwasher-safe, 100 in-app recipes, from the makers of Instant Pot, Black, 5-in-1 functionality, air fry, broil, bake, roast, and reheat. Our slimest design, slimmer than our standard 6 QD Vortex, for more side-to-side counter and prep space. Making it easy to make foods like flatbreads, kebabs, bacon, and more. Our number 1 quietest air fryer, Quiet Mark certified, allowing you to hear your timer and not the air fryer fan. Even Crisp technology, advanced technology that drives airflow top down for a perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results every time. Fast preheating, little to no preheating time, from frozen to golden in minutes. Create gourmet meals with the versatility of a temperature range of 120 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Easy cleanup, non-stick, air fryer basket and cooking tray are dishwasher safe. One-touch smart programs, customizable programs for one-touch wings, roasted veggies, garlicky potatoes, cookies, cinnamon buns, and more. A kitchen must-have, holds a 4 pounds chicken or 2 pounds bag of fries. Perfect for quick delicious meals, preparing side dishes, appetizers, wings and more. Safety features, built-in safety features like overheat protection, auto-off, and more to keep your mind at ease. Discover amazing recipes, includes the free Instant Brands Connect app, where you can find new recipes to create quick favorites and prepare delicious meals, available for iOS and Android.